I've heard your name attached to this rhythm for as long as I can remember. Wipeout Riddim. To me, personally, Matterhorn bust that rhythm there.
You fall in love with the rhythm, and him chop it up, theme way, and build back the rhythm, theme way. The Beenie Man now, and I open the gate fully now. Buju song is the gift and the curse. Production size. We used to idolize Dave Kelly. August now, we can say the first big star when Nisi was Sizzla Kalonji, isn't it?
What's Jah Cure really like as a person, boss?
One thing I can tell you, I say,
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have a really special guest in the building. Listen, this man is a selector. He's a producer. He's an artist management and all of that good stuff. You know, we have in the building today, we have Penny Bling in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
there no my boss. Yeah, go and look at it.
Yeah. Everything's good.
Right now, everything great.
Yeah.
You know, already 2026, you know, everything get fixed.
Boss, in my mind, I still want to keep saying 2025, but it's really 2026, you know, bossy.
Time I move fast. I move extra fast.
Holy smokes, you know what? But thank you for actually linking up today, because we've been linking for years before I even started the podcast. And when I told you in the hallway, I said, yo, it really took 8 years to make this happen, but it's all about timing. You understand?
Things have to fall in a place the right time.
Yeah.
As I say, not now before time.
Yeah, definitely. I know you're a Kingston man. You're between Augustown, Cockburn, Penn. Yeah. What was it like growing up between those two areas back then?
Well, can't tell you one thing about them two coming in today. It prepare you for the world. Because Blackburn Penn and Augustown is like a real days of our lives. A real, isn't it?
Yeah.
You have to see everything in a real time. So it's like a college. You know what I'm saying?
And everything, you could see everything happening there.
Everything, and you learn, because you have to learn about other people's mistakes, right? So, yeah, see other people do things, and then you watch that and I say, oh, you know, I'm not going to do this. And you know, you watch and say, oh, him do that, maybe can try that and that will work. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's like a live and learn thing.
What was a typical day like in either Augustown or Cockburn?
To tell you the truth, it's like every day we do the same thing. You wake up, you go link your friend them, you walk from one corner to the next corner, till you walk in your house, come back out, do the same thing over and over and over. Because at the end of the day, it's a small community. Blackburn Penn is which part we live in Blackburn Penn is a small part.
Yeah.
Augustown now bigger in a size, like it massive. Because when you feel like you're getting Augustown and you reach one part and you say this is the ending, it's like another Augustown add-on. You see what I say, guys? If you reach like Vumdong, because enough people don't know about them places. You have Vumdong and them thing there, Vietnam and all them places there. But add-on to the jungle too and the color red them and them thing there. You see what I say? The gold land, the woman land them, so it's big. But which probably like Blackburn Penn, more like a more smaller part. We live on the front part, which I call them York Avenue side, so closer to the road, Agley Park and Walton, so you don't know. And then from Willickley, you know, we never really go over the other side as much.
Okay.
Because you know the separation, but Augustown kind of more open.
So was your side more like where Super Cat and Junior Cat and all of them were from, or they were from the other side?
They were from the other side.
Yeah.
But you don't know still a one community, so if somebody rides from over there, so
Yeah.
we are cheer for him same way.
Yeah.
Because that's so it go.
And even, I think Roy was around there also too.
And Early Black.
Yeah.
Early Black from our side. Follow me do the new dance, follow me, you know?
Stuck.
So him was our biggest star.
Yeah.
From that we don't really get no more star. They just know the little youth them arise. You see me?
Yeah.
Augustown now we can say the first big star when Nisi was Sizzla Kalonji, you see me?
Yeah.
So and then you will see others after that, but you don't know we are watching him rise. From when time they used to cuss and say I'm a madman.
Yeah.
When I walk about BFI and people are saying I'm born Bible and relative, we see him come find and the world come love him. You see what I say?
Yeah.
So we watch that. So we experience it, let me say. Our TV that, you know?
Yeah. Because even you're talking about Sizzla. You see when Sizzla bust brass, it was like a totally different energy across the entire place. When he said Rasta, everybody was almost holding a reverence sometimes. Bad man, gal, whoever, whatever you were doing before, when he got his break, everybody was saying Rasta at that time.
Everybody Rasta, man. At one time, when the whole August one Rasta, man. Everybody.
Yeah.
Almost about 3 Christian alone left in August one at one time.
Yeah.
Everywhere you look. This is because, as I say, for him, the world know him before the community know him still, as a star. Because I remember saying he did a tour with Luciano, the man, and them go bus overseas. You see me? And then the community, I hear about this man, big. So nobody know who to them see him and say, oh, this is him. But then now, it continue and just grow from this and then get massive, you know, him go find like all dry cry, the man go sitting there.
God.
Big, I supposed to thank your mama. I can remember when thank your mama boss. Like every taxi man, until I see the around the place. If a taxi go up the hill, I thank your mama play. If a taxi I go up, down, side, anywhere turn.
Thank your
every
mama.
car I play thank your mama.
Yeah.
You could have stand up at your gate and reach.
Yeah.
I tell you, me I sell CD at my gate and I reach.
Thank you, mama.
Everybody want the CD. But you know what, the greatest thing that I told greatest community in my eyes for grow up in there because you learn a lot.
Yeah.
Everybody have a different experience in a FIDEM community, but in my experience. We can't talk about the next place, but we can't talk about yourself.
What you know, you seen, you grow, you did it, so you understand what's happening there. You understand? Even back then, I think you went to Wilmer's?
Yeah.
What was it like? What was Penny Bling like in Wilmer's back then?
Good nerd, man. nice nerd, don't get no trouble none at all, man.
Yeah.
Till them teeth my transport. And they will just say, you know what? Take out the dark side a little bit.
Yeah.
But good nerd, man, isn't me? Because education and our thing, you know, grandfather beat that, mother and father beat that in our years, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, like a little gangster nerd then. Put it that way there.
I hear you. Okay, so you're man, you got your subjects and all those things there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because couldn't shame the family, you know?
Yeah.
You do kind of hide out some of the subject, man, but I even to care.
Yeah.
But, you know, we still go and get over forget.
Yeah.
And come out of school with something. Same way. Plus, even after school, we still go try further it. And then, you know, we're already.
Okay. From there. And who did you go to school with back then?
In my era, I will start in my era, you know. Like before maybe about a year or two before us, you know, you have Wayne Marshall living there. Dan Youth, them and them people, you see me? And then you have Baby Gardner.
Okay.
And Baby Gardner, you don't know how a star ball and that, you see me? Whole part of you have Prendergast and them people. Then you have, in my age group now, my class, you have like Chino McGregor. You see me? Sirani. Me and Sirani in the same class. I think first or third for me and Sirani in the same class.
Okay.
Straight up, isn't me?
Yeah.
Then you know, say after we, you know, like maybe a year or so after we have Equinox. Only for other people. But I mean, so I can't remember everybody right now. And yeah, Kevin Evil. With our Soul Love, Kevin Evil used to do it. So,
Yeah.
whole heap of celebrity, and even some of me never even know about. You know, I'm going to say, Agi Kwadagis, Woolmas. Remember Woolmas run uptown, you know?
Yeah. Of course, listen, every name that you're calling is big uptown names that you're calling, so clearly that's an uptown. You understand? So even when you're in school now, what did you think or what did you want to pursue? When you say, okay, this is, the family's into education, what was it that you thought you're going to really get into after school?
First love, would I say, the things about the zoology.
Okay.
That we did do, because growing up with the fascinated with them things. I used to watch like every National Geographic Explorer documentary. And my uncle used to work at the Ministry of Education. So he used to carry home encyclopedias and the whole series of National Geographic Explorer. I sit down and I used to read out the whole of them. So I know everything. From a younger age, I know everything. I used to teach my teacher them when it comes to certain things.
Yeah.
When it comes to like anything with like biology and anything, I'm here to teach them.
Yeah, that was your first love there.
That.
Yeah.
And then we kind of switch from that and say, all right, we do something we like, playwright and everything. We can be good for writing.
Okay.
You see me? We used to like write like dub poetry and like some little small play. Because my father worked with pantomime as well. My father's a producer as well, but he work with pantomime and stuff. So
Okay.
we still look on them things that one kind of mimic.
So entertainment was still, even though education was big, entertainment was still a part of your family also.
Straight, because my father in the entertainment field too. So that in our blood. Because my father and Malvo, because Malvo them and them grew too, you know.
Okay.
So for them father and my father in the music thing, same zone. Because them come from Tafari now with the Danga Zone, same connection.
One link.
Yeah. So music in our blood from day one.
Got you. No, definitely. So you didn't really pursue that. How did you get involved with music then?
Music, I also really get involved with that. I can't even tell, but just know somebody just there around it and just do it. You see me? Because it's like there's a birds of a feather flock together. You're forward. I'll be that play basketball when I time them too.
Okay.
That's how I get my name.
Yeah.
And then they say we're going to make it to the NBA, you know? But we're not going to make it to the NBZ, much less.
Much as the A.
Because them time we have, you know, a man named Gunner. He used to play on a team named Mustangs, right? And the baddest basketball player I've ever seen in Jamaica. And people talk about him, a legend. Mash up stadium and them place there. Them man do not miss, because the man used to train up at the UA campus. Because I said that's at the back part of Danga Zone, right? So you know, say, but whenever you have access to the basketball court, them have access to the netball court. So the rim smaller and there's no backboard. So you know you have to develop like a Steph Curry shot. But them man them master that. And at the same I train we.
In the smaller rim. So if you master that, imagine what's going to happen when you get to the bigger official.
Yeah, so when the guy at school know them and I play ball enough for the youth, them I say, yo, that is tough.
Yeah.
So the first name me get was them I call me Reggie. Because I no miss.
Yeah.
You understand? And then it moved from the hairstyle, because then me have ear. So go so boom, the ball I made them I say Reggie. Because I can't shoot, I no miss. And then I go put him on a kid and play. Now I'm in the bridging, you know, him can play basketball plus him play sound too. Him name Fender, him used to play on Travelers.
Okay.
Him start call me Penny.
Penny Hardaway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Penny Hardaway we name a forward from. So I'm said them time of dreams we got on a big NBA star. Until we go when GC Foster College go and look, there was a Burger King exhibition. I'm going to go see one youth and named Mugabe. Anyone know what basketball in Jamaica know about Mugabe? Mugabe look like Sean Kemp. As a Sean Kemp, you remember Sean Kemp? As a big man, as a monster. Well, he look like Sean Kemp as a monster, as a teenager. Him not make it to the NBA. Yeah. So, if him not make it, where we could have go? So, that was our first dream. We never really turned away. You see me? So, you know, say, I say no, same bridging, you know, Fender, him play sound. So, you don't know, we are paradigm as a him a bigger youth for we are follow him. So now we get deeper into the sound part of things. And you might teach we certain things, you might tell we certain things, and we get fascinated from that level now. So we start go around and trouble people's sound, and you see me? So that's been my lead into it.
To get into it from right there.
Yeah.
Okay. And when you started to, so you wanted to be like a selector or more MC? Were you just interested in playing this any which way?
I'm somebody quiet, you know, so I never really the talking thing. It's like how now people can hear my voice. You couldn't hear my voice one time. I mean, I talk too much. It's in quiet. So me always like to stay in the darkness and, you know, never to really like the limelight.
Yeah.
And when you could like switching it towards production size, me used to idolize Dave Kelly. I'm idolize what him do. You have never seen him, but you hear about everything what him do. Plus, for them studio, with the right side of Ulmas.
Okay.
That was a penthouse right away in him, you know, a Sliping Road. So you know, say, we have walk and a prip thing, but you don't know, we don't really deep in it. We just a, as I look at you, just a double.
Yeah, just looking.
Yeah, and just a observe.
Okay, so you got into selecting and producing at the same time? Fooling around production?
No, me have interest in the production.
Got you.
But I'm just my father a producer. So me as I said the 24 track the man thing there, but me don't know what them for. But when we get in a selecting lead to that. Because now we get for go into the studio and start sittings, now we start oh, this after this. This, you know what I'm saying?
Who's your father and who did he produce?
My father I'm the older producer, and I'm producing like Tiger and them thing there.
Okay.
And Patra and them thing there. Shelly Thunder and them people, you see me? So I'm more in the older type of things, you see me? Never become no mainstream producer, but get one and two it. I like that, you see me?
Yeah. Okay, so it's definitely in your blood.
Yeah, man, I'm born.
Yeah.
So you never run from it. Destiny,
Still there.
right away.
Yeah. So now, what was the first song you really got to start fooling around with and playing?
First song that'll be one song Blackburn named Brimstone. But that song, you know, I mean my friend in your road, you know, we used to go there and fast with that little song there. And then my next song side a film house. Have one turntable and one sampler. So that's how we learn to mix. We loop the rhythm in the sampler.
Yeah.
I mix with one turntable. So we mix everything per one rhythm.
Yeah.
So we learn to mix.
Listen, you got to be innovative and you got to figure out things, how to make things happen. One turntable and a sampler, boss?
But see, at the time we had them things there, me never know say what me I do, I amaze people, you know.
Got you.
Like we just have do things and just make it work. We don't know the hell we do. But when we are doing, people say, yo, them not a bad. Matter what I look at you, you know. But I say, yo, we are like, you know, a teenager. I say, yo, I'm 10-year-old, 10, 9, going up to 12. You see me? At age 12, me I play sound with big man, you know.
Yeah.
And I mix like top man night thing, you see me? Everybody that me is, I saw them used to call me first, 12. Because from age 12, me I do this. Like solid like a big man, isn't it?
Yeah.
You don't mix anything, man. If I want to mix souls with regular, we mix it. Souls with dancehall, hip hop, no matter what.
You just love it.
We don't win them there. We don't have no equipment to make it work, but it a blend. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And we are forward from turntable. I mean, I talk about techniques. And my techniques are the good one, you know.
This is just any turntable.
Anything. Gemini, roll pitch.
Yeah.
No matter what you want to go for, we are make it work.
When you love it, you love it.
You know, anything you go for, we are mix it, pan it. Anything.
Yeah.
No matter who, if I put out something tomorrow, man, and say, yo, mix it, I mix.
One time.
Yeah, anything.
How long did it take you to get to your first really established song? Between starting to play to now an established song system?
No matter long still, like I say, at the age 12, the whole thing kind of, gate kind of open up from them time. So by the time if we reach about 16, 17, bigger selector try to camera up on the road with them and them thing, they know we have follow around. I say establish that we like a Gary trucks, that we the main person. Right?
Gary Trucks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We bring me out on the main road first.
How did you even connect with Gary Trucks?
Yeah, Gary trucks Gary trucks Beenie Man in Augustone. So like you have Sizzla yard so, you have Gary trucks yard so, and you have my yard so. And then we see him bridging now, play travelers now, him tell him say, yo, bring the little youth. And Gary Trucks bring me. You know, the first dance I go in and see me feel because I'm nervous.
Yeah.
Record that scratch, you know. And I scratch it.
Yeah.
I shake, you know. Nervous.
Yeah.
But
That's one thing mixing with your brethren them, but you see when you get into a dance and people's looking at you, it's a totally different ball.
no, we have mash up dance because we have the era sound and we have shell it down. But now we are going in there. We have mainstream now, we don't know, because man and Gary Trucks are big giant tonight, you know.
What song was he playing that?
The time in the left African Star, and I play, no, and I play a song named Megatech
Okay.
from New York.
Yeah. Okay.
So Megatech could have been the first sound, and I could have said, oh yeah. And that first time I hear my name on a dub plate.
Megatech. What I think I know that song there, you know. It wasn't a big song. But you heard them around.
Full of song and full of money.
Yeah.
I saw now me get named Penny Bling. Big up George, rich boss. So George goes so boom. In that time, you know, firing out the line between Megatech and King Tafari. Yeah, we did for Megatech. We did the mix on the two of them. Because King Tafari is Sizzla song.
Sizzla song, yeah, man.
So Megatech first and then me with King Tafari after. If them memory serve me right. Yeah, Megatech first and King Tafari. Boom. So all you go know is like my next virgin named Smiley. Par with the way. We was like the juvenile them for Gary Trucks and Fender, right? So when George hear about we as a little youth now, Gary Trucks be mother goes and tell them say, yo, little youth them need certain gears and them thing they kind of my guys now for represent, you know. So the dog goes and send down some wicked stuff. Then I mean I talk about no little baby thing, you know. Anything where I run, then I run the place. I think I South Pole and them thing there run the place and the name a big.
I know which one. If it was close to South Pole too, it was
South Pole,
major damage and all of those things.
Isn't it? South Pole, Sean, John, and not in the time there.
Rockaware.
Yes, Rockaware. So the whole of them something there. So you know everything we look on BET.
Yeah,
we have them on. But now I'm sending them to watch. One for Smile, one for me. And at the time, Bling Bling, the song are hot. So they watch them full of stone.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you, say, my friend, no, that time Ricky Rudy, I run the place. AKA Bling Dog. Yes. You see me? So I saw me get the name. Because my virgin used to go so boom, and Smile used to go so and put on him glasses and look on him watch time. I say, too much stone, I watch my blind himself.
Yeah.
And I say, yo, you know a Smiley? AKA Smiley Bling Dog. And then would have follow and say, yo, you know a Penny? AKA Penny Bling Dog. You see me? But we just do it as a joke. And the dog end up drop off.
Yeah.
And just took a
Left
Penny
the
Bling.
bling. Penny Bling.
Plus, my father had driller too.
Yeah.
Before that party too. So when I go to school, I have platinum ring out here, like a real platinum. I thought about no aluminum. Real platinum and real diamond. You see what I say?
Yeah.
So I like say, oh, no fraud sitting. You put the diamond test up and the diamond tester burn up.
Okay, so you things were happening for you at a good pace at one time. Pops is doing what he's doing. You're figuring it out. You're getting to play big songs. So things are moving forward.
But that's all my life kind of stay different from others. Me experience Uptown and Garrison simultaneously. You see me? I never suffer. I never tell a lie like me that I suffer.
Yeah.
Because my mother, if my mother sell her food, she sell her food for it. So we live comfortable. You see me? So as I say, things that go on.
Yeah.
Anything I want, I can go to my mother. I say, if I that shoes that I wear, I go to my mother. I say, I want that shoes that she buy that. You see what I say? We're not rich, but we all right.
But yeah, all right.
Yeah.
Got you. King Tafari now, this is SZA's big song that he's building in Augusto. How long did you play that song for? I remember now, SZA boss, he's moving the song because I remember before he got King Tafari, he was on Caveman. And I mean then King Tafari built his thing. So how long were you on King Tafari for?
And I really, so we can't tell you, because we just have play music, so we don't really check. We just know to Sizzla him sound over there, and we can play music, we're going over there.
Yeah.
So even if we don't depend on the sound, and then not put up on the sound, we depend on the sound.
Got you.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So with the round that, I do what I do. As we say. So same time, Megatech, but I really Megatech with them, but they don't know. I don't sound that, so we did it.
Holding wrong. So then you have those two songs there. Do you play any big dances those times there?
All for big dance I play in there, man. I must say, it's like he ball in big show down there. So, you know, we there, I don't think they know. All for big dance I play. Country album, man, isn't it? But, as me say, me never load up in the front like that. But me did it. And me I play. And me I mix. You see me?
As Penny Bling.
Yeah. But you might not know me. Because, as me say, me never run on the light. I'm more in the shadows at all times, isn't it?
That was your thing. Moving good now. Jigsy. When did you meet Jigsy?
I had Gary Trucks when I meet Jigsy.
Okay, so it's same Gary Trucks now. Introduce you to Jigsy.
Yeah, because Gary Trucks go play a Danga Zone and carry me as a mixer. But it never work out, so I never stay. But me never have no way if you go back there. So we just called it a day and that was it.
Yeah.
So one day me I walk, I come up the road from our Sizzla yard one day. And me I walk away in my yard and Jigsy just pull up. And my foot and say, yo, you know when me I look for you? And I say, yeah. I say, yo, from the father of the dance. Because we get that no.
Yeah.
How that really work. When you go to dance, Gary have to go with the other mixer youth. And me have to go with Jigsy.
Yeah.
Remember now, you know, me no know about the sound. Me no know no song. But me know if you play music. So him just say, yo, juggle. And him tell me when him will drop in the little dub them. But the first dance we go play with it was Kingston party. About 15 songs. We go play this song. So 15 songs are the first dance we have play.
And Danga Zone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hold it and wire it. Put it down in my ball. I say, yo, mix too fast, easy. So from this I say, yo, no that you that half it upon the sound.
Yeah.
But Gary no go back. So the link cut off.
So he just happened to buck you in the streets.
My father for go link Sizzla. And me I walk forward from the house, from our Sizzla yard. I go to my house. I'm just stop and say, yo, dog, where you there? Me I look for you from how long? I say, yo, pack one bag and jump in that car. No. Pack a bag and left from I go so straight and mobile.
Because that's where Danga Zone was based.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight and mobile in car, man, straight to the boss and say, see you there. Before when we look for him, so it's like a chance. We just buck up, isn't it? We work out, isn't it?
Do you remember what year you started playing Danga Zone?
I don't remember exactly. I think about 2003 though, so like that. If my memory serves me right. About that.
Yeah, man, because Danga Zone was, to me, was one of those songs that it popped up out of nowhere one day. It wasn't a song that, you know, okay, from 1980, whatever, early 90s. No, this is one of those songs pop up, hot or one time.
Yeah, because them those step out there hard, you know, because sound game them time there was a money game. You see me? When I say money game, meaning say money can make you be the number one, but you need money to make your sound stand out. Because you have to cut a whole heap of song, you have to go have your sound solid, the team of a solid. So them forward in the business come invest a whole heap in the business and them have this big monster sound, one bag of song, and nobody to play the sound.
Yeah.
Crocus bag of money them spend.
So when you got there, the song, it was actually a big sound system, enough dub and them thing now.
Everything did already. When we reached there, then basically, Danga Zone known as one of the biggest thing in the business. And it's like when we draw, Danga Zone was the draw, them time there.
Yeah.
Then come to production. You get what I say? So them Cause them have Merciless on them sign Merciless. Them sign a whole heap of artists at the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know that Danger Zone was actually signed. I knew that they were recording songs, but I didn't know that they were actually signing artists.
Them a record label, man.
Yeah.
A record label in Miami and something, and them a keep whole heap of big show and them thing there. So it's not like them just coming at the business. I just book up and a little money and they say, oh, we're going to try to do this. No, them actually in the business real and do the thing. You know what I mean?
So you got there, enough thing to say, this is now, you're in the big league right away. Even though, don't get it twisted, King Tafari, big song and everything. But I think Danger Zone was a different league altogether than King Tafari.
Whole different league, bro. Because, you know, the limitations over there with a local song. You see me? And then I say, everybody are run towards Danger Zone at the time. You see me? When me reach there, Jigsy reached there like a year before. So the sound, and Jigsy one of the baddest selector up to this day.
What a big voice.
A monster voice, man. No selector can go around that. Him himself come like him not even know where how great him is, isn't he? But I say, but them the time they know no man's island. You need one bad shoot at the time. We can wire the place, isn't it?
And that's where you came into the play now. So it was only, Jigsy was the only one playing the song when you got there that time?
No, you know, an next bad selector man named Escobar.
Yeah.
But in mix.
Yeah.
You have a couple of selectors there in America. You see me? However, you know it already. Him had the power voice. Him had the one of the argument. My boy did them more down on Mobile, so I'm not really a go nowhere else.
And Jigsy was based in town at this time.
He live at Pearland.
So was he bringing the song to town, or he was more going to Mobile to go
He
play?
go Mobile.
Yeah.
So most of the country I go. So when they start with the transition to Kingston now, this will know me play more of a role because me already there, so. And let me say, me don't know the juggling from that style, like with their own every sound, as me said. You know, we had their own travel, as I learned. Their own Alaska. I don't want to we can't live on Alaska.
Kiki song, boss.
I must say all of Alaska selected them live in a Blackburn, Penny.
That's where all of them were from.
All of them from the road. One live down the road, that's one live next, you see me? So our next set of idol them there too. You get what I say? Even fire used to play for travelers, so that's how Blackburn Penny come from too.
Okay. So it was enough of you guys as Selector that came from.
Yeah. And we had learned from them. Plus we don't have a next selector with bad to used to play jam one near Luther. Big vice too. You see me? Plus Firelings. You know, Firelings are just other road Firelings forward from, so you don't know one next giant that way. We are watch everybody and I learn.
Yeah.
You see me? Cornerstone too. Now left out them.
Yes, that's what Egbert and
Junior.
Yes, bro.
The Junior they drop out, but Junior was the next selector we used to idolize too. Listen and watch them, you know?
Yeah. Okay, so there was enough things happening them time then.
What part things happen?
Yeah. Did you guys, when you got to Danger Zone, did you guys clash, or more Danger Zone was more juggling and production at that time there?
No, made it more focused on the juggling and production. Them I did them clash thing. Because I don't really like the clash thing as much.
Yeah.
Because not so we can't do it, because we like to get a wine up. That me likes.
Yeah.
You see, we can't have the we listen them.
Yeah.
We support them. I'm a big fan of it.
Yeah.
But
To participate, that's a different.
not but me still kill someone still.
Yeah.
So I like some. I mean, I alone kill 4 someone one time, you know.
What?
Yeah, man. You know, can't hard to believe, though.
Okay, on Danger Zone?
Yeah, man.
Was this earlier, or you're more seasoned on Danger Zone at this time, man?
Early same year, man.
Tell me about that clash, yeah.
About 4 someone in our land. And them say them, remember me, I know the main man, you know. So them I say, yeah, I brush him.
Yeah.
But them don't know. And me and the box boy, them did it, you know. So me and the box boy, them take them on.
Yeah.
You the box boy, them come down turn against me too. The wickedest thing in that clash there. Woman at the time, and my best friend, them said they not cheer for me. I say, you go dead.
Yeah.
I mean, I say, but I'm supposed to be on my side. I try to motivate me, you see me? So nobody on my side. I mean, I alone take them man and kill them, man.
Mm-hmm.
So this one, them start say, wait. You know it. But then kind of things I don't know the clash part, right? But I just mean I really focus on it.
Yeah. And Danger Zone had enough dubs too?
Whole heap of dub, man.
Whole heap.
Dub to me sick and tired of dub, man. And that's why I never really like all the clashing thing too, because we did a party and the next selector give me a Pan River and dub. And I said, no, dog, I can't give me Pan River and dub. I want you the original Pan River. Because me forward from out of the filings part there, we see people are dancing on the place and them things. So I don't want to hear the dub version, I want to hear the 45 people are dance.
Keep them active.
Yes, because that one them mix and everything I play right and the rhythm sound exactly like I hear on the radio. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I kind of turned away from the dub part of it, isn't it?
And after you joined Danger Zone, how long did it take for it to kind of start forwarding to town now, where start getting their base in town?
Right away, man.
Okay.
You know, because the idea now, gone on big sound, we not waste no time. And then the time they have fire, you know, so. Now I look at one old computer where can do magic, you know. Anything with that computer there, you know.
Yeah.
And I say, me the kind of day in the midst of when the world had transitioned from analog to digital. So we are like the first set of youth them were really dead up on a bridge there.
And this is from like basically like CDs to almost laptop at this time, you know.
Yeah.
From dub plate and records to CDs.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
CD, just about the MP3.
Because a lot of people don't realize when it came to sound business, the shortest part of the sound business were CDs, you know. CDs didn't last a long time. Records were around for a long time. CDs came in for a short period and then right to laptop.
Because in that time, you have the long CD player, the new mark and the Gemini.
They had the two trays, yes, like that.
But they did more, with that kind of them more versatile than the CDJ. Because the CDJ 800 never have certain little looping thing like them there.
Yeah.
So, you know, we are master that. Plus, I must say, right there, so we there, when CD hot. So, you know, say, can't hold me in the time.
And did you start putting out the mixes at those times right away too?
Right away. And at the same time, now, I end up go back to school for do digital audio engineering.
Okay, so this wasn't a buck up. This was, I went to go learn this.
Yeah. So that people don't know, say, I actually go to school for music.
Yeah.
Them things say, we just love music. We go to school for music. And we learn from one of the best teacher. You see me? This time I teach almost everybody. Him teach, scatter them, him teach. No, that one him teach for mix.
Okay.
You see me? When I buy this thing, because Pro Tools at the time, Pro Tools just certified him as the main teacher in Jamaica.
Okay.
So I'm there CPTC, I teach at the time. So I'm left from this, so, and then he moved me over to school. So, my man, there's Celestial Studios. That are
yes, I know Celestials, yep.
So you know, somebody in the business, man. And another boy. Enough producer used to come out there, out of school. At the time, I am teaching.
Okay.
You see me?
To me, how I remember Danger Zone, one of the first things I remember with Danger Zone is actually their production with and to me it seemed like you guys were dealing with like a lot of Jah Cure at that time there.
Yeah, they signed Jah Cure.
Oh, Jah Cure was signed to Danger Zone. Yeah.
So that's why with my production and that them really so damn Jamaica, a place called Jamaica. This is me forward in it them time there. So then they put out like two rhythm I can remember. Danger Rough for the next one with all of everybody, Bounty Killer, Beenie Man, Merciless, everybody in that business. But then the culture side on have Jamaica, the rhythm there. Sunshine.
Yeah.
So they have that rhythm there. And then they have let me see the name. I don't remember. But them time I'm forward round.
Yeah.
I'm forward round when me in a school, see me. And I make that transition, you know, because I think so, I'm going to be the next Dave Kelly.
Yeah. Okay, because you started to fool around with the production because you're in school, so then you started to fool around with it in real life at this time here now, too. Yeah.
So all them madness that we used to do before people say, a madman,
Yeah.
start become a reality now. I start, we basically, we never know, so we had do it already. You see, so all them sampling thing the way to we are doing and mix and them little thing, they never know, so we actually had do something where could I transition into this. You see me? So this or now, as me say, I fall in like heaven. Come there, one place I have studio, every artist I come there, me I play sound, you see me, so we have see everything in a real time.
So Danger Zone had their own studio, too?
Yeah, man. Danga Zone, I think, when I said it, I have them, I'm not telling a lie, but if I 5 top level student in Jamaica,
Yeah.
they made the 5.
Danger Zone?
Yeah. Big SSL board, man, cost about millions, man. Don't have mobile for one plaza, man.
Yeah.
Them have that, man.
I always thought they were freelancing and then they go record wherever and put out.
Nah, man, Danga Zone have a voice rapper and them thing there, you know.
What? Yeah.
Yeah, the biggest, one of the richest man, them, we the one club in Miami. And them people, the man my work with, you know. Another joke thing, man.
Yeah.
Before them build up real. Then they keep a show right so with a radio station and them, this was like before they would bring down this. Well, let me give a perfect example of a type of show. You know, on the same level as some fest in our way.
That's what they were up to.
Yeah. But them involved in some fest Anstin, you know. The time, you know. We don't know for sure that's it, but they were involved in these things.
Yeah.
They're investors. Because I said them actually them are do the thing for real, man. I mean, not another joke thing. They don't bring down Janet Jackson, man.
What? No.
I just show them time. Them, as we say, we don't know about the group type of thing, and we know enough up, and we not take a picture and them little thing down on Instagram.
Yeah. Yeah, no, not those times.
And then me and Janet Jackson them sit down, man. I little Jan them, I usher them, everybody we sit down. Me and meet the whole of them people, yeah, in a real life. And I say, yo, I can't them people. Everybody we sit on BET, me I sit down with them.
In Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen, the Danger Zone, we cannot never be ungrateful. We live some life and we never know so we could have live. And me never know me I live. Because, you know, we are ghetto youth, and we dark. You see me? I'm saying we dark in another sense. So when them go and say, oh, so like we go on a banquet, and you say a lobster and everything up on team. So you know, them something like, you know, rich boy that go with them something like that.
Grab some chicken back.
Be a fire we are about, you see me? Because we don't lose so not, we just dark and have the ghetto mentality.
Yeah.
You see me? And we just stand offish at all times. But in a reality, you name it. Every entertainer that there is, I be dead in the room with them while them I work with them. You get what I say?
I didn't realize that Danger Zone was that big, boss.
The Danger Zone was the thing.
Yeah.
Anybody can tell you. Before Danger Zone, you know, I my boy, the name Sashi them.
Yeah, I know they brought down a lot of the rappers and stuff like yes.
Yeah, you know, Rebel T, them, those are the man. But that Danger Zone, my monster night thing, man.
Yeah.
Enough other monster night, you know, you see me, but Danger Zone, my monster night, man. Do the real thing, man. I don't know, joke thing. You see me? Work with top level artists, Akon, everybody, you see me?
Okay. Because as I said, me personally, I remember two things I remember was the Jah Cures and there was a crazy freaking culture mix CD that you guys had put out too. Crazy, boss. Because this time, culture was running the place red hot.
And maybe the mix there. That's our boss Danger Zone, that mix there. Right? And the wickedest thing about that, as me tell you, the transition of analog to digital. That not make pan a turntable, that not make pan no CD player, that not make pan no Serato or nothing. That make pan a laptop. And I draw in the song them.
Yeah.
Me pan a program there, Acid.
Of course, Acid Pro, boss.
I draw the song them. Every single song play in night, I draw them in. The mixtape we need about 5 days. We make. I'm sit down,
Yeah.
piece by piece, move them up everything, every song. And people used to say, yo, no, because them hear the song them as mix and I pitch up like it, but I mean I cut them and I chop them and speed up this everything in there.
Yeah. Because remember, you were fooling around with this from the sample and the one turntable, you know. So then now you get a program like Acid Pro.
Can't help with me. I'm mad. We do anything with Acid in the time, man. Let me say anything. You see? So, and the time I said, that's CD they know. I'm saying, yo, all people say, yo, take care and make fashion. We have the burner them as we taught 5. We never have that. We have burner as we taught 1.
Yeah.
So the next thing now, even though me in the field, in the studio, in the I play the sound, but also I work in the office too. You see me? I'm big up Ce'Cile because Ce'Cile around the office and Ce'Cile have me in the office. I work with her. So when time Ce'Cile and Ghana, foreign and Ghana, some place now, me have the office for myself.
And what type of things were you doing in the office?
Me do distribution, me do payroll, me do everything. Accounting, everything. Because you can go learn accounting with the company. Everything that there is, we do the company, we learn.
You see a lot of people see you around playing song, yeah, wicked argument and all that, but I don't think they realize how smart you really are behind certain things, boss.
No, then they're not going to know that. Because we act dance and chat, brawling and them things, so then I feel like, say, yo, we not in a sense. But, as I say, at the office part, the our part fully. You see me? Office a mirror in the office. No matter who I say them this and them that and me, and my office that. Me have key, I pull that and go in there.
And this was in town these times, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I find gallons in the roll so on. Big office, I'll go upstairs and be a thing. So you know, say, I look over for some people, so. You can't come through the gate and security have called me and say, oh, let them in. Lock at the gate. You get me, I say?
So it was really, Ce'Cile is the one and that was the first time really meeting Ce'Cile.
Yeah.
And then she showed you a lot of what was going on.
She take on to me like, you know, because me basically me travel with her for be her mixer. You see me?
Okay.
And then beyond that, she start more on the music thing and everything. And I start watch what she do and then something, you see me? And then I realize, say, yo, this is not just a little regular woman. Cause like, she bad pan production, better than 90% that what produce song.
Okay.
You see me?
Yeah.
When I say bad, I mean say, I don't know if I explain it. She can produce a song from scratch. Whole 9 yards. See it in my 2 yards. Go around the board, everything. From building rhythm stage, I building the rhythm. She tell her how the rhythm to build. She go do the engineering, tell her how to do the engineering, tell her how to write the song, everything. Do more side. Real producer, man.
No, I don't think a lot of people give her enough credit also for what she has done in the business.
See, the thing about it, as like what you say, if you don't know, you can't give credit for something you don't know.
Yeah. A lot of people think, yeah, okay, she's a cool little singer and stuff like that. But at one point, she was big in Europe too, you know. As an artist, huge in Europe. But even the stuff that she's done behind the scenes, because you said Danga Zone, she worked with Kings of Kings. There's a couple more companies and a couple more things this woman has actually worked on, boss.
Yeah, what I think, man. Even when she did at Danga Zone, she called me when I reach at the weekend and say, yo, come, Danga Zone today. That's how I reach at Danga Zone.
No. Yeah.
So Ce'Cile, I'm a boss. You see me I say? In real life. Because Ce'Cile make, like the first time I wall $100,000 cash in my hand. But I talk about knowing $100,000 value. You know. I talk about them time you hold $100,000 in your hand. So I look on it and I said, blood, fire. Maybe I want to custom bad order.
Yeah.
I spin it round, art or something. Not saying my mother and my father giving them something there.
But something that
You go work for. No, so me I say, I mean work for this. Me last stick it up about 10 different times. 10 different ways. Put some in the pocket up. Then me say, no, put everything over here, so. Me spread it out, roll upon it. And that's what I do, man. Because first me I want $100,000 in my hand. You see me?
because of Ce'Cile.
You want to tell me about 2 sidekick phone. 1 chocolate and 1 in there. One mini razor. Ce'Cile. So, rate. And whole pattern should do for me. Whole it. Rate that. I'm a G, man.
Definitely, because you said you were torn with her. And I think at one point you were torn with Jah Cure also.
Yeah. Me and Jigsy had toured him. So, we're going to find like a small island with him and them thing, you see me? But, and I say, yeah. Then make we experience everything. Overseas wise, them really.
What's Jah Cure really like as a person, boss?
One thing I can tell you, I say, in my little incident there, you see them, the Jah Cure, my cusp on the line and them a fight with people and thing there. That's not the Jah Cure we know still. The Jah Cure we know one of the kindest person we have woke up and see it. A lot of people have a different view, but that's not the Cure we know you see it. But sometimes, how me see it, I've got the people that are around. Because so you have people that are around where around them just around for something. But they're not really around you for the benefit or for you to benefit or for the good of you. You see what I'm saying? That can cause you to get led astray and doing some things wrong. Because you need people around you to say, yo, that way I don't make sense, you know. Don't do that. You understand? If you're not having the people around you, let me say, my experience with Jah Cure, a whole total different thing.
Got you. But that's usually what it is with people. Everybody experiences people in different ways. You understand? So that's your experience there. Mixtapes. We talked about the Danger Zone culture one. You worked on mixtapes for I-Octane and Elephant Man too?
Yeah.
Was this under Danger Zone or for their projects?
Film project.
Yeah.
So them there are 2 official things we do. And like say, yo, we just get up and just chuck something together. Official thing, you see me? Where them put out and them thing there. And even when YouTube person used to do some distribution, the thing that in the lockdown, where the FBI did lockdown the time, anyway, him did push it out. But anyway, what? And I said, 2 official things them time there.
Know who you're talking about.
You know me at all, man.
Yeah, man. And they used to get them pressed at a plant too. I'm blanking, and that was my game. Remember, I was a CD man for like 21 years, boss. You understand?
And the man used to call me direct at Jamaica, you know?
Yeah.
Directly.
Yeah. And those men used to move units in our boss.
Yeah, man. The man say, yo, then the time them I'm a rich man. I know me broke. Yeah, then I'm a rich man. Yo, me can't tell you, say, I miss them the days, you know? Me not like MP3, you know?
Yeah.
Yo, me hate MP3, me hate everything of them. So, streaming. Me hate this stuff, which is them the man.
You want the real, it's a real hard physical thing. You understand?
I'm going to tell you something about the distribution too, you know. Big up all Tyrone too, isn't he? He know himself. That Atlanta, I'm bridging that too. He was a part of the Danga Zone and do the whole distribution too, isn't he? Them the time there. And I say, I can learn, and I can see, what is distribution? And I see the money we I go through when the record I sell. If you can wipe out, we didn't reach this yet, but when me see the money we come in and that in a record, me not like streaming. Mad.
Or you say you can't, it's impossible to like that.
You're mad.
You
Broke
understand?
life this man.
Yeah.
Broke life is in the music.
Okay, what came first then? Bembeh or Wipeout?
I never remember. God know.
Yeah.
How I come first? Bembeh.
Bembeh.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get to Bembeh now, because this is another pivotal time in your career here now. Get into Bembeh. How did that even get put together in the first place?
Bembeh right now, me that be like the extended part of Bembeh, if tell the truth. Because Bembeh was originally Jigsy, Richie Feelings, Razan Biggie, Rolex, Matterhorn. That was Bembeh.
That was Bembeh.
That was the Bembeh squad.
Even with Jigsy, but remember, you're the shooter for Jigsy, so you weren't along also?
Yeah, but that's because of them par every day. Sit down and chat and run off them joke every day. So that's where the group built from. And I said, me no come run, come sit down and talk and something. Me there my yard asleep.
Yeah.
I'm in my area. Me never yet in the road and talk, but then in my area. You see me? When work for do, me did it. So that was the original thing where it started from. Oh, me get for Friday night now, and I say me have to come mix for him. So when the flyer come out, I see my name on it. And I say, oh, my name reach on this. TJ, which their own cartels and car grubbling.
Yeah.
TJ put my name on it.
Because he was the promoter for Bembeh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So him and Richie Feelings basically did them party. So Richie Feelings really come for the thing, you know. Richie Feelings, even call himself the girl them Bembeh Marble. And then the whole team forward and did the whole group thing. So when I see them, I say, yo, put up on it, you know. Because I say, yeah, mix, you know. But him might think it's a simple thing him do. Him don't know how much great him do for me right there, so.
Yeah.
Because now people start saying, yo, you're really busting anything now.
Yeah. Because Danger Zone, the song, Jigsy, basically the face of the song. Yeah, you're the shooter, but a lot of times in sound business, the shooter always gets overshadowed.
Yeah, nobody know the mixer. Because nobody hardly hear them know the mixer unless it's the selector call your name most like the DJ. The MC call your name. Beyond that, nothing. Because the MC are really the
Face of the song, yeah, man. 100%. It was just like even Bass Odyssey. DJ Mark really got the bus car, as you said. Squingy kept calling his name, DJ Mark, DJ. So he, as a shooter, he got the blind. But most times, if you have a famous big MC, you really, unless you're into sound business, to really, really look, most time you don't know.
And I said that now, Bembeh open the whole gate. And then now this and now, the creativity get for expand even more. Because I tell you, what a place we go through Bembeh, what a place we go in the world.
Because of Bembeh. Yeah.
So travel through the artists them and through the party thing. Travel all over the place.
Okay. Like where some places?
Down the Caribbean already. You see me? We go Japan, we go Amsterdam, we England. But before me even looking at America and Canada. At one point I looking at my passport, so no space that in there.
Yo.
I still have to save 2 passports together, so. Visa, we can't even pronounce.
Yeah.
Schengen visa, this, that visa, hard to sitting.
Yeah. Or the music, boss. This is because Bembeh, as I was even telling somebody too, there was enough weekly dances happening in Jamaica at that time, but the ones that you always remember, Pasa Pasa was basically king, Dirty Fridays, Bembeh, Hot Mondays. Anything else outside of it, they were happening, but you see, those 4 in particular, boss, that's what you remember.
Yeah, the thing with the difference between them time and now. You could have got all 4 party and expect 4 different things. Now you got every party is the same shit. Every selector fights with the same shit I sang them. The song that used to boss Pasa Pasa never boss Bembeh. If you know it's no bag of dance and the dancing never really go on a Bembeh like
No,
that.
it wasn't that type of vibe.
You see me? Bembeh more serious and for the girl them. And if you say more serious, Dirty Friday was for the girl them. Passa was for the dancer them. At Monday now is like another energy now, because my filings are monster, you know.
Huge.
I wanna we got them that in music too, you know, you see me? Then you know up the road, Alaska Stage Show, you never really bust for mainstream, but Alaska Stage Show was that thing a ram too.
Okay.
You see me? You have a whole other place a ram up, man, but you don't know, you not really hear them name.
Yeah.
What's a standpipe is to keep on thinking, you know? Early Monday, you know.
Yes,
Who got them,
yes. I forgot early Mondays and Weddy Wednesdays. Yes.
And you know, where a staple for itself already, way. The whole part things used to go on. They have overlap Monday down a Mobile. Blase Wednesday.
Yes.
So I Kingston side there, so. And Yamil. So there was so much others, but we never get the mainstream bus because you have to get that to Scrappy.
The video them boss.
Scrappy, I don't know him personally, like, we can't say I see him. Because I'm on mobile side, I see him, but we can't say, I'm more know 2 grand them, because 2 grand we see every day. But you have to respect him because what? Him put that to the world. Him was like a sound distribution.
Before, because remember, he was early to the internet too. Have his website, dancehallreggae.com and all those stuff. From early, you could order worldwide. He lived in Jersey, then moved back to Mobile. Scrappy, he did so much in the business.
And paved the way, man. So you have to give him respect as well.
Jack Soa, as you said, Jack Soa, 2 grand. Enough of them, that was before. They did their thing, you know. But Scrappy, when he took it to the internet and was doing certain things, next level.
And they are bigger tough than the bigger. But I tell you what really beat enough man in this system. Yeah. It's the transition from the analog to the digital age was a problem. A lot of people never make it cross that bridge. And that's why I say some man giant in them time they get forgotten. You see me? And then when the next transition now, because I remember I say it moved from cassette to CD. CD to MP3, MP3 to streaming. So if you don't know if you cross them bridges, you got to drop somewhere down on the line.
Somewhere you're gonna get caught.
Get beaten. So if always have to look.
Yeah. What's next? I mean, stay on top of everything. Bob. Bembeh, this was a real pivotal time in your career still. As I said, this is where everybody is doing their thing, but then this is now where we're starting to hear Penny Bling and these type of stuff here. But I know Bembeh, as we're talking, Bembeh is a place that was more busting tune out there.
Yeah. Because, really, so Jigsy was a youth where him believe in like some song when nobody believe in her. And I'm very confident in bringing across these things. And I say, I'm a commanding voice. So if somebody with that kind of presence there, it's easy for shoveling something in the system. You see me? So we bring that, plus the rest, Ross and Biggie, them bring that same energy too. And Richie Fields bring the same energy, Matterhorn bring the same energy. So it's like everybody have that energy there, that direction there. So it more, we boss a song, you like I look and say, hey, them boss a song now, we have to go boss a song with you know. That's how it's our way of competing against each other.
Yeah. It was boss song.
Who can boss up the place the most? You see me? So that's why Bembeh was more like on the line there. So what I like for them, I'm gonna when I say that still. Because if you go say Bembeh boss more song, no, wait, when I'm saying I've been at it from all long and been still about. But in our little time, and we are boss the most. In our time. That little run that we get, we boss the most.
You remember some of the songs them you guys boss wrong at Bembeh?
Whole heap, man. To this day, man. Falling soldier busting our hand, man. One of the main one we can't tell you.
Yeah.
Falling soldier. Now go to jail again. Clip my finger. We talk from between me and Jigsy we talk about. Take myself away. couple of Steve with rhythm them well.
Yeah.
Especially the 141 is on myself for me, me. You see video, man, the video out the pan by YouTube right now, man. Biggest forward divide in a Bembeh, man. A 3 big forward divide in there, 3 monster forward, you know.
Yeah.
What again? So much of them I can't remember.
Yeah.
Whole heap. Mavado song. Thank you, Jah, for everything. Gangali. The Are you ready for this? Everybody warm up, everybody. Yeah.
All of that.
All them there. Was in a Bembeh this.
No, man, Bembeh was hot. But I remember talking to Richie. Richie said it was really the Gaza versus Gully that mashed up Bembeh.
Yeah. It get too serious. People them start get scared. Cause right, remember I said it are the best years.
Yeah.
'Cause I remember I said the Gaza Gully War are the
Yeah.
best. Isn't it?
That part of dancehall, boss?
It can never compete with that. But I don't know. With everything good, something bad will come with it. You see me? That are the only thing I mashed up. Because it started read to the violence and them putting there.
But wasn't it keeping close to like a Gully area?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that don't make no difference.
What? But then that would mean basically that's like a Gully man dance type of thing. You understand?
Not even because it's a good little distance same way. And maybe it was like a spot where Uptown and Garrison are link up.
That's where TJ came into play.
Yeah. So TJ, Raz and Biggie just come them and only part of little youth of their own in a them era. They make it up from that side there too, you see me? So it's not like a one person, a group, a network. It's a network of people make it up.
Okay. All right. You're talking about bus tune. This rhythm here, I've heard your name attached to this rhythm for as long as I can remember. Wipeout rhythm.
Wipeout.
All right. To me, personally, Matterhorn bust that rhythm there. You understand? I remember even watching Jim Brown Memorial the other day. This man came in like 5, 6 o'clock in the morning and said, yo, I don't care what you guys played. This rhythm did not play. And I had to wipe out. He's not kidding. Would you say Matterhorn bust Wipeout?
Matterhorn was it, man.
Yeah, bro. Any big dance you can think about, Matterhorn was busting Wipeout.
At one point, people think I'm Matterhorn rhythm.
Boss, if I didn't know any better, I would believe the same.
Yeah, the man fall in love with the rhythm. He fall in love with the rhythm, and him chop it up, theme way, and build back the rhythm theme way.
Okay, so he has a different version of the rhythm too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because him loop it a different way and re-record it. So it work in a theme favor.
Crazy. So please tell me how this gigantic rhythm, you came up with this gigantic rhythm, or how that even came into existence.
All right. First thing, before me even go there, so, I explain why Matterhorn did kind of change the rhythm. The rhythm, the timing of the rhythm is off. But if you don't know, you get confused. Because it's a rhythm play like what? 4, 4, right?
Okay.
That'll be the normal count. 4, 4. But it's like 3, 3, 3. So a waltz. The waltz pattern, waltz timing. So it's half. So in that way, add a next thing to make it the 4.
Yeah.
So the wipeout now. Oh, it come up now. Matterhorn again. But him don't know that.
Yeah.
Jigsy and him there one party. And him a play. Now I had the time of my life. Jigsy said what the song.
Yeah.
So him take the song out of Matterhorn pouch. So the song so it was a what do you call it? A soundtrack. Soundtrack for Footloose. So the movie name, which is my favorite movie. As
Okay.
I look at you till I grow. So when he give me the CD, because I build the porch. Give me the CD. Put it in, rip off the song. I think I did one song up on the CD. So I go and realize that the soundtrack. So I run through the soundtrack and I hear, what? And it's a fire. Let me sang this, man.
Yeah.
So me I play around every day and me I say, yo, Sean no star. Me will be the next Kanye West. I don't know. Me I try to be creative. So I say, him don't know how that film portrait come from. You see me?
That's why.
So I was the universe was carrying around, making those end up come fall in love with the rhythm.
The same rhythm.
Anyway, what me I say, me chop it up and I try some bag of scientific thing with it. Never work. Fly about 50 dub on it. Bang, 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 bang. You see me? Oh, me I say, yo, John, it's not gonna work. I want to put it out, you know. I want to try to produce something because as I say, I tried, I've been a dabbling in it already.
And this is going to be your first real official one that you're putting out.
First thing I put in a production. Because years before, I sang the pum pum pa, pum 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 pa, pum pum. You see me? I two dub play that, you know.
What do you mean?
I two King Tafari dub that, you know. Step up in the front line, Fat Sexy Girl, Kalonji climb, and the pum pum pa pum are two different songs.
Those are two different songs.
Yeah. But she's la vice for the sound. So when they read him forward and down at Judgment Yard, down there, we sit down and listen. Because me, in my next version, and copy, they sit down and listen. And I said, and the man, DJ. I said, we're going to just put that and that together. And him do it. And next thing, Bridget come and say, yo. And the Bridget come on, say, yo. Danga do what you say now. We are little youth, and Danga do what we say. You can't chat to me. So you don't know me.
Yeah.
Now, I don't have the confidence now, you know. And then years after, now, I go to school and get the thing now. So, boom, now, back in a wipeout now. We do the thing and I say, all right, this thing not work out. So, we're there up at Dasika studio. I'm Sirani. Sirani, I'm a class youth from day one, you know. So, I say, Sirani, knock over this, you know. And when him that go on tour, I never know, not tour, but a show. I must say, yo, make David them do it. But I not do it when that's your car. So I play it for them. I'm going to say, I want to build what I read. Listen. Then we left to them. Weeks pass. Nah, I pay no mind. Then I hear nothing. I'm sure. I'm forget about it. To one day, I sit down. David goes, I touch up on my shoulder and I say, forward. I said, listen this. I'm here. Yes, I pump up till it happened. And I reach the channel. Me hear it. You see me? And that was the best thing that happened to we. Because if we sample it, would I lose everything?
Okay, so because it's an interpolation. Okay, is where everything is okay, business-wise.
Yeah. So,
got you.
So you get published in our fight because of that. And that was by a mistake. We never know. You see me? Boom, now we get the rhythm. We don't know how to do it. We have to get artists from the rhythm. So they go give you boss. Boss are rubbish.
Okay, so this is while you're still on Danger Zone, the boss that's producing all these big stuff, he didn't like the rhythm.
Even with the Bembeh and Bembeh at, we still live on Danger Zone.
Yeah.
My boss are rubbish. And then I said, Jaja. But it's a man like this way. Even when they would put out the mix, he never liked the mix. And they put out 40 mix before, and that the mix for him not like come the biggest thing. So when he said that, I just said, yeah, right, let me listen to you. And I had that hearing from them time, so I'm busy with what I say. Anything if you say it not gonna work, that's what the music say about me. If you tell me say it not work, just know me I'm gonna do it. Boom, no. I hope for General B first year the rhythm. I played the rhythm for General B, and General B said, Jesus Christ, I eat this. And Vice for a song said, wine not your body, don't you wine, girl. General B Vice him sang Monday and video this song Tuesday.
That's how much he believed in this rhythm.
Run out. Jaguar. Sure, the next thing. Then Jaguar and Scatter on a deal. And we have 2 man in the studio. Scatter record him and Jaguar singing in the man's studio. 2 man in a deal.
When
Big up
rhythm
Jaguar.
bad, it bad.
You know, farm come by this time. If a big up Scatter, if a big up Jaguar, because they put away them differences and make it work. So those were the first two songs where Vice and did a go and do the thing. We take them the song now go play up a Limelight. Pass kid up an half a year so. Play the rhythm. Everybody a dance in the middle. Body low and everyone do the guitar and everyone sitting there. I saw no matter and get the rhythm. Jigsy give the rhythm. And them start put $1 million up on the rhythm and I run with it. So 2 songs we have on the rhythm. Vegas, play the rhythm. But the rhythm and find and say, oh, Vegas, because I say, you want it. Vegas write 1 song, Vice 2 songs, we have 8 songs, Vegas write on the rhythm.
What?
Vegas Vice and mix him on himself. Put that out, that on the radio, we just there we are and he play for the radio. You see me? This is how things start move fast. Go so now, boom. Jigsy Ravers go for Beenie Man. I always work now is this way. But I call him and say, Jesus, no idea now. This is for Beenie Man. And DJ just say, alright, they will link it. You see what I say? Because somebody get linked with the elephant. Because him pull up on me, run away from me there. And we had DJ one song and him say, yo, this part, you know, Scatter, and DJ for Scatter. Scatter say, yo, father student now. Force me to meet Elephant Man. DJ for Elephant Man. Boom. But let's dance till morning light is a joy. See me?
What?
The one of the verse my for one man. You know I know chorus and time there. To the rave dance, everybody start getting mad, isn't it? So now we get from weird. So see him so with the bad man last 3 years left them going to wipe out. You don't know me does meds. All me thinking with that thing. Come up with the idea. Beenie Man. And then the Beenie Man is like, you come again, free repeat up and mass it up again. That time there. We're done around the place sometimes there, you know. You see me? Steve them just a come in that thing, you see me? You know, I have other little person. Anyway, we love that song there. So when they're in front of Beenie Man, now Jigsy goes and say to Beenie Man, say, yo, we're going to play a rhythm. He say, if you don't like that rhythm, yeah, take out that CD and broke it. You see him?
Yeah.
So he goes and put it in. So he want, because he might wonder, oh, Jigsy with a tough talk, yeah. Put it in though, boom. He goes and start play. By the time I see him go and like him, turn like him, but don't start DJ, stand the giddy, dang, 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 dang. You know, a film style that. I will say, I really don't ever touch your local food, I never did here. And him hear it and goes and say, yo, I eat this. Boom, by the time we did this, so, sit down where you reason, Gringo. Whole 2 verses right already.
Because those times it was Gringo pen enough for the song them time there.
Quick and fast. That's when I first Mr. Beenie Man a record and I say, yo, what kind of man this? This a man not normal. See me? A different beast this. Because the man just get a piece of paper from Gringo and look on the paper and look at it. Like a him.
Yeah. No, he's when it there's 3 people that catch things quick, which is Beenie, Bounty, and Elephant Man. You see those 3? When it comes to catching things quick, them 3 then.
You see, I'm say you learn, you watch and you learn and see people, the difference between everybody on the record, you know? But as me I say now, the Beenie Man now, when I open the gate fully now.
Okay.
Because when we go so now, boom and go, ready. I go premiere the rhythm. There are 3 songs we have, you know. There are 4. There are Vegas I play. I heard the Bill back I heard. We play them there, and then we play the Beenie Man. And diggy dang 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 dang. Buju hear it. Buju look on Jigsy and say, yo, I like to be the dog there now. Forward the rhythm. We give the Buju history now. A year before the rhythm bill, then a Buju yard. One man walk in with some kneesberry and some sitting on a whip of fruits. And this is Buju sitting in the yard to see me and a DJ some whip of song. Man walk in with kneesberry, with grape, whole heap of cherry. I try something and a DJ then he say, this is Ram. He say, come now, this is Ram, me I no know, but I'm going to come now. I say,
Yo.
well, me do not me a listen, look, I know me as a listen. I look on Jesus at the end of the day, me get a reading, you know. This is the song, I say, even if me not dead, tell him this is the song of war. 1 year. I'm sure the world spin and everything just turn and work. Time, as we said earlier. Year after, Riddim come out, reach them, and I say, oh no, what? This year, I'm here, and just dog, gonna listen to me. Because I say, no, remember that song there. You see me? Buju song is the gift and the curse.
Okay. Let me hear this.
This is a gift and a curse. The rhythm at the time I took off, but I left what we never expect. Everybody will run the dance hall, arena, a vice. Buju, Bunty, Sizzla,
Mavado. All right, yeah.
Mavado sing out film song. Anyway, that big long anyway there. Gun battle.
Come back, yeah, man.
I watch all them things now, I watch my record, me I say me rich. Just a look. Me I say, oh, me I look on beer things, me I say Grammy. Me I go be the next Dave. Beer things me I think, no, me I say, yo, me I buy a house for the hill. Because me I see everything happen in a real time. Me I say, yo, this is how we do the biggest rhythm, this will be like a show time. Buju Vice. Buju Vice. Buju song gets so big, so fast. It kill everything else.
That's what it happened.
Kill everything else. Like, nobody know why you done this. I mean, I thought, but we have a stock thing. Rama, be it's. Bunji girl in the power airport.
A Bunji bass?
Bunji, Trinidad artist. Bunji, and then Bunji have Lock Style come down and with the big sitting by the big old gold eagle. Fire freedom. Isn't it? The girl that sing easy now, the knee if you go down, she depend it. On Fear album. Beat better about people in China. One time I watch TV, I watch IPTV, I may see a song come on from it, and I say, well, Penny Bling, why Paul? Jigsy, I say, wait, how would this? I know the voices. Because Jim sees that you guys no who voice it. But not voice himself and video and put it out and then send the song and give it. The more that song where they on the album, the up, is maybe a quarter.
Of what's really recorded.
Quarter. Not half. Quarter.
Because it was Green Sleeve that put it out?
No.
Or VP?
VP.
Yeah, because that was part of the Riddim series that they were putting out. Listen, you see that rhythm there, even the Buju, that's one of his staple songs that he performs every time he performs.
I have to walk on stage with that, man. I have to walk up on stage. When I heard him get the crowd that run, you know. But being the man that go from different country, man, I hear the rhythm start, man, boom, do, do, do. And people that jump from a right wood there, I grow and lift up out of the ground, man.
Wipe out.
My big rhythm from the 60s, you know. Even the man them, the original man them, them say them love it. That's the next thing, them love it so much that them never take the wall of the publishing.
Because they appreciate what you guys did to the rhythm. Boss.
So you have to look upon that.
What label did that Wipeout come out under?
Danger Zone.
So, okay, so even though the boss didn't like it, it still came out under Danger Zone.
Yeah, because of Ce'Cile. You see me? That's something that Ce'Cile play a major part in my career on the music. Boss didn't like it. I mean, I say, I'm madman this. Ce'Cile say, you're mad?
Yeah.
I baddest Riddim. This Africa road. You see me? I should fight and make it that road. Sit down and I say, behind the scenes, they are funding it. She, I the one that I say, yo, here, do this. This is going to be the thing. So, boom. I say she play a major role.
Oh, so they believe if it's coming from her, they trust her? Kind of thing?
Not even. She just make the last talk.
Yeah.
Because they know saying the idea, she not going to miss. You understand? They never believe in that. I tell you, they don't believe in that at all. Them definitely deaf and blind when it comes to that rhythm there.
Wipeout. And you would say that would be basically the biggest production that you've produced so far?
Biggest, if I go past for them label, biggest me value in my life. Up to this day,
Yeah.
but still publishing a pile up. I love me not collect it.
To this day, boss.
Me never know about it. I'm find out about it. Still not look upon it. Because I say, you know what? Left feet to them. Me live so long without it. Make them get it.
Like it grow. Crazy, massive rhythm you have under your belt now. So this is basically it was basically between you and Jigsy producing it, or this was more or less you producing this?
I say, no man is at an island. But I really my concept, my thing, everything.
Yeah.
But when I rate Jigsy on a level that I say, yo, I'm rating like a big brother. So anything I do, all of them there, I include him. You see? However, he make enough things happen. Because without him, we couldn't get for character certain people. So if
He's the man in the streets.
exactly. So him being man, them know. Everybody don't know me. I mean, so me silent, you know, and quiet. So the idea, him make it happen. So I can't take all of the credit for say I'm me alone. But it birthed from my brain, but it was a team effort.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm going to be realistic. So everybody played them part. That's what
For sure.
teamwork make a dream work.
100%.
You see me? And as we said, no man is an island. Not even Usain Bolt do it by himself.
Needs the coach.
You need a coach, you need a nutritionist, you need a man, the trainer, you need everything.
You'll do the heavy lifting, but there's other people around you to make it happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
LeBron James have him man of the fitness, him nutrition, you know, man of the management, isn't it? If you make something work, you need a team.
Yeah.
So, as I say, start from this, so the brain part of the thing, bring it this, so move it along the conveyor belt.
So you get a final product.
Yeah.
Yeah. Crazy, do enough stuff. You're playing Danger Zone. When did you leave Danger Zone and what had happened?
And at the time, no, when Wireport at, you know, the whole thing, man, they get caught up in that system. We never left them time there. Still I push it and them thing there, but me and Jigsy never see eye to eye with those things. You see me? So and then them start like do them own that thing without me and everything there. The rest of the sound crew and them and him. So I just said to myself, say, you know what? We done this by myself. If I turn away upon the sound, I throw away there, so. I still not them gone, so. So, a process of elimination. I say, you know, me not fight things. You see me?
Let it take its course.
Summer work. But my belief is that, isn't it? You can't force water uphill. So if Mr. said I go that way, then we just say, all right, you go on, so it's okay. You just take up yourself. So we just drift apart.
I remember this is your brethren Jigsy and boss that you guys done a lot of amazing work together with.
It's just I'm a big brother, I'm a rate man. Where you don't know. Now my eye, and I rate you like how I rate him. Me that man is loyal, any man can tell you. I take loyalty serious, you know. If you know me, if I say I come to Canada, you see me the same set with them up to this day. We not add on. You know, I see me a power around this, a power up this, never. Same set with them, you see me from day one. And it's me that I'm very loyal. I take my friendship like a brothership, you know. So something you go say you burn at the bridge, you hate it like poison, man. I can't, no matter who you do, you can't be friend again, man. Because if you know how I'm loyal to you, that thing hurt me, you see me?
God, it bothers you if you know you're going to be loyal. And it's not working out, it bothers you.
I make me say, oh, John, told me, you know what I say? Because I put you in the same circle with my mother and everything, you know, and then I see a betray that. I can't rate it again.
Yeah. Have this big rhythm. You left now. So what were your next moves after you left Danger Zone? Because remember, this is, even though the boss them got wind up in the system, this is still a big, heavy name there. You don't have this name behind you anymore.
Nah, name behind you, and then, as we tell you, say, nobody there, me alone know in the world I look. You see me? So, like, I don't know which direction I'm going. But then I'm say, they run, Mikey Pell for them, then they roll it, and then him go drop out too. So it's like, then I'm last, tell you the truth, the last. Run to Miami.
Okay.
Then Miami. Come back here. We start link up with some different youth now where we and them started some things. Didn't work too. But and then we end up come to Canada. So we end up come to Canada now, we get caught up in that system over that side there.
Yeah.
That's where we kind of feel us low music a little bit.
Okay, so then you came to Canada, got wind up, but this was on the other side of the country though. This was more West Coast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Question is this. Why would you even come to Canada in the first place?
Trip we get tricky.
Yeah.
I said we come to Canada for what, 2 weeks? I end up staying, I think it was 10 years.
What? Yeah.
Enough things start go bad and everything. Then I say, you know, no matter sit for your own, just stay over there. It's like enough things, negative things that I'm around. Enough of my friend them start fight against them, worry them, one and kill out them, one and so you know, I guess you where you go do, you don't know how if you talk to one set, people say you take sides, like you have to just take away yourself.
Just leave it all alone.
I'm just take on myself. I'm saying them here get stuck. One over one back. I say, fight it out there, man.
So, okay, so then you have to just love music for a while. So when did you start picking it back up again?
And you know, when my friend them, see if that friend them was stung at the ocean and they big airport.
Yeah.
Named George. He live in New York right now. Him called me one day. I say, yo, I send one song to you. And I say, you remember Blacks? That next virgin sister. He said, Fair son. Bad. And I said, yeah, but we said, we done the music. And I said, nah, man. Boom. Sitting on me, hear the song sound good. Then now, my uncle wants city it so.
Okay.
One time, look for me and said to me, say, you know, it's a Blackburn print and a star. It's a Blackburn print and no star. And I said to him, say, no. I said, George said me black song. When I say black smoke, I talk about Young Wild Apache.
Okay, that's how the link came in.
He grew amongst me.
Yeah.
But he was younger. You see me?
And I think he was in the States for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm younger than we. Because I feel him uncle and we parried. So when me go to no woman and Ce'Cile go, Danga Zone. And I say, me and I start talk on the phone and I say, yo. Then she end up there. So we go down there, this and that, and we look on wall go on and then I say, yo, why me never lucky to get this a studio? Come, yeah, so maybe me see it, I say, yo, I'm me sure that studio, because everything there so we need. And I really love music. I do. They don't know me, I look on them little thing there, you know. So in the time the pandemic happened. But right now, me forward up. Same youth. Give me I only know one song for him. Not realizing, say, him about 100. You know, I son on the side, get back in it.
So it was really Young Wild Apache that brought you back into the business.
Yeah, because we don't want to go back in there, but we just never know how to go. We may go back in there because remember, we separate from the system we did about 10 years now. Everybody grew up, you know, everybody a different set of people now. Say, yo, nobody not remember me. We're going to live on this airport thing for the rest of my life.
Yeah.
You see me? But as I say, things keep on drawing because even the same Wildport, remember that they nominated for Grammy upon Buju album, you know, Too Bad, because Too Bad get nominated.
Okay.
And we upon that. Then, a couple years after, Beenie Man album come on.
I think the song was Roar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And them sample about that song there again. Me and my house, Universal Records called me. I said, what? Call me? Oh, me check for you. I say, eh? I say, wait, I'm sign. You see what I say?
Yeah.
So you always I get back some little things that are dry in where you don't know. You say, yo, oh yeah, I'll go back in night. And I said that was the way in. So I bring him go up at Danga Zone and I say, yo, stay here so. I said, me introduce him to toddler. I said, toddler, this and toddler goes and embrace him like a son. And just boom and have him there and then start work from this. So.
Because I see that you even have out a new Riddim with him and Toddlers on the Riddim.
Yeah.
I don't even remember. I just heard it just the other. Yes, man.
Yeah, cause the EP.
BMW and those songs.
Exactly.
Toddler. Yeah, man.
All right, so the EP I drop now. We're gonna start drop the one of them video there. Right now, I'll come up and I said, no, me I'll go back in it fully now. You can allow it, but as I said, sometimes time force if you do back something. I watch it now. You short me like the day when I go Sam said to me, I say, oh, most lady never short me yet. At the same day, I see a message me. Sign.
Time, boss.
And the same breath, my brethren know the Alaska. Him look for with them and say, yo, why you not start back Bembeh? And I said, start back Bembeh, can't start back Bembeh. I'm Jamaica sitting that. And I said, nah, but you're there, so. Just keep a little thing up and just do it. I said, all right. We just give in. I said, we could do it. And everybody just started, yo, maybe I said, Bembeh, I can start back up here. And I said, I look at it and say, nobody know why he see them something in the whole land. You know what I say?
No, but it's nostalgia. You understand? It's like if the original Pasa Pasa man them came back and said, yo, we're going to do Pasa Pasa. You know how crazy that would be right now? Everybody, because that's almost like 20 years ago. As simple as you see it. You understand? So it would be a thing where people would want to see it back.
And the next thing he said to me, he said, yo, all right, the biggest, so that song when I Glass of Gully War, Bossa Bembeh, Dear Rave, Dark Again, and then the Bossa Bembeh. That is the juggling, we run dance out this day. The Bembeh juggling. You see what I say? So, it's like everything is a full circle.
Because I know that even though you might not have been dealing with too much production, you're up here, you were playing out still, you know, but you were never really in the, you're almost playing hopscotch with Toronto. You were in the link, but you were outside of the link at the same time because you were never stable in Toronto. It's always out of port. You see, like when it comes to some far places, that's where we always see you playing.
Yeah, because I'm telling you why that still. I don't like mix up, you know. And enough of them mix up bad. And them try people in there and don't drive me down. I not fight a war, because your war is not mine and me fight war different.
Yeah.
You see me? And me, no one mix up in anybody sitting. You see me I say?
Yeah.
I never boss that so. Not only I matter, I never boss that so. So I'm not supposed to come and cause a problem. I've been a problem with nobody. You see me I say? So I just, that's why you see me in a run up in night.
Yeah.
Because once you run up in night, bad mind start. You see me? Remember, so I selected there already, you know. You know, I call him there, my virgin still, you know, I don't want to mix him up. In there, I play, every selector start fight against him. Then he goes a boom. They shoot him out. You see what I say? Next one more selector there, so everybody love him one time, everybody hate him. You see what I say? This is all them people that stay. That's me, so I mix up. If you notice, you never hear my name mix up it. Because once it start, stay far from me with it. If you come near a cricket bat, move. Yeah. Go back over the so. Me don't want
not involved.
Yeah, not involved in nothing. You see me go through my life and reach this age. Leave out that two community were very volatile. Let me say hard type of things and whole people will be losing. Me nah come and find come make a job in your foolishness. So that's why you see me, that was a problem with me and it. Because once me see the mix up I come
out. Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, no, could definitely see, as I said, I've known you from you basically touch into Toronto, I basically known you from them time. But as I said, sometime you'll play some dance, sometime you won't, you'll see you out far, London and these fireplace. But again, now I understand what you're saying. You're saying, okay, you don't want it to get wind up.
Well, that's why I see me able to survive. Because if I notice, how much I think come up for a flap? Because I'm going to run it down. You see piece of iron pan na miggle I bank it all. How much people you see go up on the iron there and have to lift it. Yeah, deadly something, man. You know, fight for that miggle there. Fight for that front page there. How much from you see me, come from me there, so. How much from you see come and say I flap?
It's a serious game. You understand? You have to know what you're doing out there.
When you still see be in it. We can go there and come back. Go there and come back. So we're all I'm bridging that to again. R.I.P. to my friend.
R.I.P. for sure.
Even when that time he made me come back up. I see me one time, he must say, yo, just you put us on, cuss me, worried me. And I said, all right, forward up.
The funny thing with it, now that you say that, one time when it was both you guys that came and checked me by the mall. It was you and him rolling them time.
Yeah,
you understand? I think even one time you guys came up here and come check me.
Yeah, man, I'm a G. I remember Royal used to keep party downtown, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And me carry him up, you know.
Yeah.
He said to me, say, yo, I keep a party up on them side there, you know. Banquet time. I said, so come in. Give first set up place and keep party and me carry him go. First set up party and keep because me and him I'm swinging. me and him are swinging alone in that party. Buy like a baby.
Yeah. No, I remember, you know what you're saying, you're 100% right, you know, because when he first touching the place, he was doing like some, on the outskirts, as he said, like downtown, and those things, even though it was hardcore dancehall that he was trying to do, it was more downtown until he really learned the flex.
Yeah, man, the Empire alone, man. Man
yes.
True vibes, them, man, and I'm into them. Uncle Bridge, them, and them, isn't it? So, I'm saying, really.
The dance was traumatization or something.
Traumatized, man.
Yes, man. That was the name of the dance. Yes, man.
Then them name, man, Unruly.
Yes. Yes.
You know, Gaza had first. It didn't go to Unruly.
And then he was doing something with Unruly, and then World Order, World Great.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So Gaza had the year before.
Yeah.
So, as I say, we come so we link up with enough people, same way. Enough promoter, we respect them and whatever, you see me, but as I say, I always try for the best state that I mix up. You see me? And sometimes from promoter, they link me and I say, yo, me just calculate and I say, you know, so the book somewhere else. It's not, because I just know
allow certain things.
You see me? Sometimes I see some man pan at the event, they just say, but I don't want to play that with man either. Why if you don't play with them? You see me? Because everybody think is with its own thing. Yeah, some man that play sound now we don't like. Them play for themselves. So then the little half what them get, them play every song and burn it out. And then the party mash up. Because you have 5 more songs on the party. I mean I say, yo, what you mash for dance today, you're not gonna be the greatest because listen, man, I see them run this and run that, and you're not just want to nothing. Get what I say? Make you dance nice. So me see.
If you're scheduled to play at 1 o'clock, play like you're supposed to play at 1 o'clock. You understand? Some people want to play at 1 o'clock, but they're playing like they're playing at 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. There's different segments in it. It's like driving a standard car. Some people want to come in and start on gear 5. Boss, you can't start on gear 5. Start at gear 1, work your way up.
See, race out thing, and then you say the money pull up will come in that picture. Jesus Christ. And they say that's how much up. Remember, you have some man that's come up and if you money pull up. You know?
Yeah.
Can't need that something there. Isn't it? We can't go do the same thing. Isn't it? So put me that any man can't do play a song. You know, race out the song them. Yeah, son. So them left all the whole like song them for them come do them thing. None of them know that to me, you know. Isn't it? I mean, as I look to myself, I say, yo, the meet and I really get it all, you know. The party have to make nice. This is why I said no side. It not really pen out all them want to pen out. Not for them and them bun down your son and go to some different place. And I hear them a bun down nowhere. Why is that? Because them get tricky now they come money pull up segment. Yes, sir. Remember me and you, my two little friends them come because I throw them some money in front of the turntable, let's say, you know. I look like a year around the place, you know. When your friend when I did then I go to some place go play in a far country, we in a Boston, in a little bush. And your two little friends, if you get up at the go up, you don't see no video go up. You get them, I say? them things that I don't like. So I just say, "Cho, I say change
Yeah.
from what me used to it.
So you're more comfortable on the production side of things right now? That's where you're really focusing your energy like 2026 and moving forward?
Not even so that be more comfortable in my circle.
Got you.
My own, I try to build one world.
Okay.
You see me? Because, as I try to say to you, if you do what them I do, nah, work. So like, now we're going to start one like an event. Yeah, come over so I can come enjoy what we are do. You, like I said earlier, you did go Bembeh, it's different from when you did go Pasa Pasa. You did go Pasa Pasa, it's different from when you did go Ready. Some want to do my thing. You come here so, come get a different vibe. You're not supposed to come here so and then you complain and say, yo, wow, God, the science is the same thing, the man never play. Nah. So
Different.
my comfort in my world, not only my world, but the world of me and my friend them I build, come experience it. So me have kind of pattern the thing.
Yeah. It makes sense, you know what I mean? As you said, production, you're managing Young Wild Apache also. So there's a lot of stuff coming up for 2026. As you said, the return of Bembeh, you're doing some things.
I'm going to find a little 17-year-old youth out of Cambridge. I sound like Drake. And can build rhythm everything, can do bad like a wow. But you know, in the house, not a genius. So the next thing we are trying to put out the street too.
So you're working.
Go back in the I would say the bridge, the way there.
Yeah.
Me across that little bridge, I know for coming and streaming world. I not like it, but
But if you're going to remain in the music business, you have to move with the business. And that's just where it is right now.
I think about it. The money part, not the necessary. Because as I say, wipe out. I can tell you, when me see the distribution money, I've never seen that money again here, so.
But you see, the thing with streaming versus physical song is it takes a lot less money to produce a song than it did then, because you don't have to cut a stamper, you don't need to press all of these things there, you don't need to go order 20,000 CDs and stuff. So I guess the money you're going to save by not doing all of that, you're going to get pennies on the dollar by streaming. I guess that works out that way. Or it still doesn't work out.
I mean, that's sense at all.
Yeah.
Because, let's look at it. I could use the God in a dancehall as an example. Dave Kelly. If Dave Kelly sell 100,000 Beenie Man record, old dog, at $1, $100,000, right? Remember saying about Beenie Man, pan the rhythm, Spragga pan the rhythm, Frisco Kid pan the rhythm, Baby Champ pan the rhythm. At 500,000 for one rhythm. How much each rhythm Dave Kelly put out? First thing about that. I ain't no cost near to do that. Tell you what money them used to make them the time there.
So, okay. So then the equivalent in streaming, you'd have to do
1 billion, 1 million to make $14,000 or some shit like that.
you'd have to do millions of streams.
If we carry it back to, this is how I say Dave, one of the greatest. When they may have break this down to somebody, business-wise, or the man smart. The man make short time rhythm and never put it out for 45. Remember?
It wasn't, Showtime wasn't on 45 baht.
No.
It was only the LP it came out.
Yeah. And you couldn't mix it because you'd have to get 2 LP. So now every sound I will have to buy 2 LP.
Yeah.
And then him put out the Bunty and the Beenie for the next set and come out. For you, if you mix the Bunty behind the Beenie, you have to end up buying 2 again.
And they're not coming on 45.
Okay. So imagine how much sound by 4 LP?
Yeah.
A beard, the man beard.
But you see the smart thing with that, even though that's counter culture where the culture is 45s, smart thing is now remember, you're buying certain songs off of a rhythm when you're buying the 45. Now you have to buy the LP, everybody's going along.
Yeah, I have to buy 2.
Yeah.
Because as a sound man, you have to buy 2 for me.
Because you have to mix.
You see
And
me?
everybody, remember, if there's 14 songs, whatever it is, everybody's going. So hopefully everybody gets a chance now.
And then the Beenie and the Bounty come out after. So now you have to end up buy 2 more. So every sound in the world, you have to buy 4.
LP, you know.
Right now, you're going to your computer now. You have the whole of Showtime in your computer, right? Not even $1 you spend on it.
It's crazy.
So think about it. How if you like streaming?
Yeah.
How if you like CD? And I say, you're mad. Remember, I like to hear about the money and I see the money for myself.
You know it, you know what I mean? Even though you cut the tail end, you still cut it.
Wipe was the last big rhythm that get signed to a VP.
Okay.
When them buy the juggling.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? Because I let them start buy singles. Because up to this day when I get $1 from that Monday. Yeah, that next week I'll follow the date as well. Cause them now, the big money come,
Yeah.
all of me I say $1. And I say, wait, what is?
Yeah.
And the boss say, you can find 2 more, get to you to do what I do. And I say, all right. You see me? But they don't want to pay me, just pay myself still, you see me?
It's a music business. Bling, listen to me. I knew that there was a lot in your mind that I wanted to discover and let them hear. And you're going to hear a lot of what you've been through, even though, as I said, you're a figure that you're in the link and out of the link. But you've done so much stuff from Jamaica in the first place that there's a lot of stuff that they don't realize that now after they watch this, they're going to realize that, okay, you were part of all of this here happening.
Of things though, them still don't know and them not going to know.
Yeah.
Because I say, I never do this for fame, you know. We just love it. This, where you see, we start all MC or sound and something there. I don't want to do it. Because when people say, yo, him body, I never want to do it. I have to do it.
Yeah.
It's because I have no MC with me. So I have to,
Jigsy was a power vice.
yeah,
You're no longer linking with Jigsy, so what are you just gonna not have an MC?
I get a book in a Cayman one time. I have big up my promoter named Pops. You see me? Man bring me a Cayman and see that big billboard they have? It's a half of the billboard.
Yeah.
Standing up. And a big billboard man put a big like Cayman. Put up on it. But we reached me and said, Jesus Christ, what is? And what me I go do?
Yeah.
Big monster billboard, man put up on. You see me? Remember now, I go this up by myself. Even the next week I say, yo, how you bring him? And then if you bring him, I'm going to shell it down. You see me? But I have to do it.
You have to do what you have to do, boss.
But when they kind of see it forward, you know, so what I used to do, I used to practice. And but I know I practice. First dance I try to play by myself, man. People walk out. I say, how can a madman this? But no sense.
Yeah.
I can't do it as only man I play. But I teach myself. Figure it out and you see me? Come up with some little gimmicks and then go around and just say, yo, yeah. But I'm say, when me do a smarter than enough man, I'm just come to Canada. The first that fly to me, I see me depend, you know. I don't know about that kid that dancing, I make it that myself.
Those were your dances.
You think I eat that? The man now put me can't wait for them to put me on the flyer. Me and Mal for them link up and we keep on Friday event because I'm about a flyer to the whole place. You see me? Kawa. And I did, you go see me on the flyer. And I say, oh wait, my book you. You see me? The marketing genius, you know. Let me tell you, you know. Dangerous when you tell you, most I'm a mastermind in everything where you can think about. Street life and blow corporate life. I'm a mastermind for the two things. I live the both lifestyle. You see me? If party I keep, I may write a proposal them for take sponsorship and me the art of things. People don't know some of them. Me write an article up on that paper.
What?
And people don't know. article put that billboard and I listen to me right there. People don't know them something, they can just think say, oh,
that's Penny Bling.
me start one girl where she was always try to help me. Like things to me. Me not been out the education. Cause we have come from Jamaica, so them automatic things so slow. And me just makes it go on for years. Things that she had all bag of things.
Yeah.
Till one day she see the proposal, I'm right. And she say, oh, are you write this? I say, yeah. She say, you can't write this. Most of my girls say, me write it. She not state of shock. She say, all this time? And I say, exactly.
Yeah.
Because I say, you feel like say you're smart, we just make you go on. And that's my thing from day one. I play along.
Watch up.
Because you can't go, you're mad. Crazy. About 6 lecturers in my family, you know. My grandfather, I'm on the 5 education. I remember the UNIA, you know, part of Marcus Garvey followers, you see me? Very close to Marcus Garvey, you know. You see me, and then man, he come to education, man, they fight for that.
That was one of the first things you said when we started talking. Say, yo, when it came to education, they didn't ramp with that one.
I made the black sheep in my family. I made the least subject, I should say. My little sister right now, she about 23. I was about 15 subject she passed in Jamaica. 15.
Yeah.
So, and I like somebody force her. Just education does something with them that's in the family. It's just a natural thing. You see me? So sometimes I say, to all we deal with things, you wouldn't know until they actually sit down. Even one of my friends, the first time him see me I do certain things, him say, yo, dog, you know, all this time with the around you. I think you're a little dunce.
Yeah.
There's a little selector. Because when them see me sit down and I write, one bag of proposal, I remember what my phone right now. Yes, the amount of things that I write in my phone. I tell you who stays so too. See name just like Tyrone.
Yeah. No, you don't have to tell me about Tyrone, boss.
Very intelligent.
What? Listen, again, it's because this is so much years later. Tyrone is the first promoter I've ever put $10,000 cash in his hand from selling like, I think it was 250 tickets Tyrone brought me. Those times he was doing Girls Rush with Tony Matterhorn. When the man came to the mall and dropped off the 250, I said, yo, what am I supposed to do with this? He said, yo, don't worry. We got this. When me tell you, say, Tyrone, bop, 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 $10,000 cash I gave Tyrone. You understand? I seen Tyrone do some rash thing. Tyrone, smart one.
Very book smart, man, isn't it? I used to man sit down and read and go everything with stocks, this, that.
Yeah. That's how I know you know what you're talking about. 'Cause again, that's his thing too. Stocks, Tyrone, boss.
She Shine, she's another one of business oriented.
Very much.
So we
very
start
much.
reason about business and look at things there. I might think that. You see,
Yeah.
if me can't learn from you, me and I talk.
It doesn't make sense.
You see me? One more year about street life you gonna tell me. You see me? I will never come tell you about street life. You see me? Because it's a part of life. Me know why I run from that. You see what I say? I've been through it and I've seen the worst of it. You understand? And if you know, say me come far from that. You know when you come to me about the forces right now. I'm telling you about how you make your broaden my knowledge, you see me? Come talk to me about some dinosaurs or something. I'm telling you about no gun and this. You know why you would be tired to see them something like that.
Yeah.
You see me? I see it, we born and come grow and see it. You know why you wouldn't something.
Yeah.
Them both one different thing, man.
Past that.
Yeah, and more things for life than that, you see what I say? Because as I see it, destruction. I tell you that carry on. So if you don't want to reach further, that's why I say, about the whole in and out. Once the negativity start, I'm going to say, you know what? Time for exit.
And how you that?
See, system, once I get caught in my system, you have to start over. Me too old to start over, I'm mad. I start over already too much time because of that already. You know. System mash up everything. More than risk where you take, we accumulate a certain amount and then if you take it pay back in. You look and say, yo, so if I do it again, when you look at the material and say, play, I get this. So I say, if we don't play, what we get? And I say, what is?
Yeah.
I mean, if you just fight it and wing it and hope and pray. They escape them little thing there. I say, you don't want to go at this one. Because I just stay far from everything, you see me?
Low certain things.
No ways of focus. And I say, different thing, you know. Because enough things we could attack and all about negative things we could have bringing out this interview. But
Yeah.
if I saw me go viral, it's not going to work. Really upon that. One of them see me for the good of me I do right now.
Makes sense. Listen, leave some contact info where they could check you out. Social media, anything. Anybody you want to big up, the floor is yours right now before I get you out of here.
Well, you don't know, one and only Penny Bling, is it? Only Penny Bling. Any other Penny Bling you hear about? Fake. You tell them from now. So for everything we want to search for, you're going to see it. Instagram, whatever. Facebook. Who still use MySpace, but the Panthers Penny Bling same way too. You understand? And they say thing level. Big up wise, if I big up most of the people that play a major part in what me I do. Of course, my mother and my father and my auntie them, you see me? If I talk about them, my uncle or whatever, you see me? Big up Karen, that Gary Trucks Bembeh.
Okay.
Gary, George, Megatech, you see me? Danga Zone, family same way. They them, the whole of them, big them up same way. Ce'Cile, of course, play a major part, a big out fully, you see me? Big up Jigsy, you see me? Don't me and him go on the thing never really pen out was for pen out. You see me? Big up Scatter. Because Scatter, I don't want to forget that part there. When wipe out, I mix wipe out Riddim.
Okay.
And on a Pro Tools, cut and paste, easy thing, live. 4 days, the man in the studio, whole away asleep on ground. Bone and cheese and milk and everything we have to eat pan, you see me? And bull and everything that we have to eat pan. He mix that so I have to big him up to, you see me? Big up Showbird, you see me? My uncle that again too. Father, you see it? City family, you see me? I look at Bridget and Alex, him drop out now, I have to big him up. But him play a major role too because him used to come to me and say, yo, listen to that song, yeah. And the man I listen to Ran Bush one thing, then they say, yo, play that song at that party, yeah. This is how we big. So enough little things he used to father, you see me? The little them in the round to charge him, the whole of them, you see it. Rudy them, young wild Apache them, you see me? Everybody, Harry Tyler, you see me? Big up Eddie too. Because you don't know, if you're a man, you don't know you, and see you as a little youth and still listen to what you say. You have to respect that too. Because even Allah, hear my cry, oh Lord. How we can argue?
What?
Enough things to do, man.
Yeah.
Hear my cry, same thing to wipe out. We give the boss and we say, yo, hear my cry, like a Jigsy, take that song there and I run with that song there. I said to the boss, you know, we could knock over this and vice early. Man gears it out. We end up and we take it go up a father pole. Number one. We look at me and shake me head. I say, madness is. Enough things, you don't really listen to me. And I had time to go to the big studio in Mobile. I say, yo, be a little studio in the city. You know, I want to do it. Want a big studio in Mobile because I want to fly in all of these people like all G-jams and them things there. And I say, yo, nah, I see it. I say, yo, then time the cartel have ice one little microphone with a little sponge pan it. I'm running in a little room. And I say, yo, Roach, you want to read my bill one time and the man say, one, you read him. And I say, yo, make we go. Man, now make no move. Always a book shuffle. But enough things fly past. You see me? It takes so long to see the thing when that we see it. And that one thing we take serious now. As I said, I don't want to wrap it up so I don't want to overdo it. When I forget to big up, I just saw. I'm sorry. Next interview. Well, you are. Remember this. These are things that we live by. You see me? You can't go against the grain. That's one thing. You see me? You can't force water uphill. So you have to just go with the flow, you see me? The spirit animal, a balloon, the bear. You notice the man just float down the river, and anyway him stop him just knows how they send there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The jungle book, that show them, take that show them serious.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? Remember, sheep can't lead shepherd. So you can't be a leader and make a follower lead you. That's my thing of me I tell you. See me? So, I remember, no man is an island. You need people.
100%.
Each one help one and teach one, is it? No matter how you want to take it. You know who me forget and who me forget. I just say it go. I just my thing that to own is it.
Mr. Bling.
Muscle.
Big up, maximum respect again. Everything is all about timing. The same thing that you just told them that you told me when I called you, say, yo, you were just thinking how we didn't link up yet, and I just called you out of the blue. And you even told me about the last interview that you watched. What was the interview that we put out just a week before? So you're up to date. You understand? So it wasn't no joking.
Everything I go and I run me up to date, man. I watch every news that there is, so nothing no pass me. You see me? With everything. And I say, but there so I watch a long time I link. I'm there so from the beginning when you have that show, so I watch it.
Yeah.
I might not watch every video. Me dabbling and chipping for 1 and 2 years, you know. And them thing there. So they say Equinox. Well, we can't forget
Yes.
that. And the next thing too, I say enough little things in the music come and do again. I must say Equinox them are working doing there. 100 stab. You know, we are run out them there. And him do the song on the Jim Screechy Riddim. We do up a leg office.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm telling out there. See Spice, I'm say Spice, listen this. We're bridging them Riddim. And we said, do it just voice pan this, you know. Jackhammer. Oh, squad Jackhammer. Spice growing up a voice. Jim pan the Jim Screechy. You see me? That was just my thing. When we go past Stephen, I say Stephen. I do the real cartoon, because elephant have voice pan cartoon with him. We go up past Teta, I say, do it, any feel for voice, Stephen. Boom, me ring up and pan that, you see me, I say. Him name? Raspenko. Even in 1,000 miles away. Raspenko called me to my house. I said, yo, there Bembeh and one of them now play my song. I said, no worry yourself, next week it a bus. Boom, next week, bus. I'm going to go out there make sure that bus. Now I go to jail again. I find a CD there in a Kapashat studio. I think Kapashat I went there the same studio at the time. My boy Irish and Chin them. I'm going to find fling down until take it up and put in the vehicle and hear it. I'm going to say, Jigsy, next week this way bus. Boom. That bus way. You see me?
Yeah.
I'm saying that was one of the reasons why I kind of did real because all of me I do it, I tell them so I'm do it. But what I knew, even the clip my finger, when I said, man, clip my finger and I click, and before start that. And I can prove that. You know I can prove that? Because you never have no CD player where you could have the looping thing in it.
Yeah.
Where I used to do it. Isn't it? We never then and have it. A CDJ 8 them have. CDJ 800. And through me never look a button there, we could have do it. So that people start do that. Because I may start do it. Bembeh. Whole the political thing. As I try to tell you. Name it. Take myself away. Or that boss. King David. When you go bridging a fence party. And say, yo, the album is Sizzla Vibes for Beenie Man Dash. Me have it. Give me. Me hear it. We can't go Bembeh go play it. They play it every week. People should stand up on rocks till them start keep down fence. Liquid say, yo, that song that we have them want it. Liquid can't go bust it on the radio. You see me? Because in the time you couldn't email about nothing.
It's strictly CD, a man had to.
Acting, come tell you, I was acting on stage, come talk it, I say Penny Bling, you know. And the mixtape, you know. Before that, when I go say, hello, the ghetto youth for that, Stop Vampire. That
Stop Vampire, yeah.
I run my blow wire from my TV, from my TV to the computer, record that, and get go Bembeh go play that. Then father again come bust lose a friend. Because me do the official mixtape for him. I walk and give you 1 million CD. I burn 1 million CD and walk and give 1 million CD in Jamaica. Take bus from Half-a-Tree to Spanish Town, bigger tough car, more beard, this and that. I saw you used to do music and do promotion.
Distribute.
Go hard. So, I've just left it right there, so if it goes again, I start and do this.
Bling, maximum respect for pulling up. As I said, there's still so much more that we have to sit down and catch up again, because I see this year, there's a lot of stuff that you're working on. End of the year, 2027, 2028, catch up again.
This year, man, 2026, man, everything get fixed, man.
You see it there? Bob. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Cuts Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.